Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung's OneUI and showing you how to customize it like a pro. If you want your Samsung device to stand out, stay tuned for some awesome tips and tricks. First up, let's start with the home screen. OneUI offers tons of customization options. Long press on the home screen to access screen settings. Here you can change the wallpaper, themes and widgets. For a unique look, download custom themes from the Galaxy Store. To change your wallpaper, go to Wallpapers and pick from Samsung's gallery or use your own photos. For themes, go to Themes and explore the Galaxy Store for free and premium options. Widgets are a great way to add functionality to your home screen. To add a widget, long press on the home screen and select Widgets. Find the widgets you like and drag it to your desired spot. You can resize widgets to fit your layout perfectly. Just hold and drag the edges to adjust. Next, let's customize the edge panel. Swipe in from the edge of your screen and tap the settings icon to add, remove or reorder your panels. Edge panels provide quick access to apps, contacts and other tools. You can even download additional panels from the Galaxy Store. OneUI also lets you customize your navigation bar and gestures. Go to Settings, then on Display and tap on Navigation bar. Here you can switch between navigation buttons and full screen gestures. Gestures provide a cleaner look and more screen space. Let's not forget about the quick settings and notification panel. Swipe down from the top and tap the three dots in the corner. Then button Order to customize your quick settings. Drag and drop icons to rearrange them or add new ones. You can also change the grid layout for more or fewer icons per page. Your lock screen can also be personalized. Go to Settings, then Lock Screen, and choose Clock Style to change the look of your clock. You can adjust the clock's colors and style. For Always on Display, go to Settings, Lock Screen, and Always on Display. Customize what information is shown and when it's displayed. And there you have it. With these tips, your Samsung device will look and feel uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And let us know in the comments what your favorite customization tip is. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.